Um, once I start being more consistent, I'm gonna live stream some more. But right now, I'm just recording this because this is like textbook. Okay, this is like the first time ever. I used to read about this in the trading books, and they tell me that it can put like they talk about the the what's the word I'm looking for? The infamous Head and Shoulders. You know, this is on the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. First on the 1 hour, but then you look at the 4 hour. This is the Dow Jones right here. So from October 20th all the way to November 5th, you can see yesterday's action showed a Head and Shoulders, bro. Like, okay, I just woke up. Okay, so I don't even know how to put my words together right now, but and you read about this and it talks about like on the bigger time frame. 4 hour charts are definitely the best way to see it. It's kind of like it's not super. It's like super choppy ish looking, but it's still there. You know, you can see that the head and shoulders right here, and then the neckline break. And look at the volume increase at the break of yesterday's break. So right at market close, I got my position in, and I just took a short. I kind of got stopped out. I kind of put too tight of a stop. So then I just got back in, and then my stop was up here at the last high at the breakdown area. And now that it's respecting the trade, I just moved my stop down. But anyways, so this is what I read about. If this is actual Head and Shoulders, the pullback will be from here. You're looking at 100% pullback, maybe even like we're looking at not in one day. I don't know. I mean, it could happen in one day because there's so much going on, so much nonsense going on. But yeah, we can see a correction into this area in the next few days or weeks or as the month goes on. And it could just, you know, it could bounce around on the way down, but it should respect this trend. But this is I just have to put this into my journal because I read about this. I've never found it. And when I do found it, it's on the smaller time frame. And sometimes one time I thought I saw it and it didn't work because I didn't see it. Yeah, like you had something kind of like it right here. This is like a fractal version of this. It's like it's repeating itself. Okay, anyway, yeah, this is a perfect example. You can see the left, head, right, and then the neckline breakdown. The neckline is not clear. The reason why it's not clear is because it's here. It's to mess with people, man. It's to get people's. It's the liquidity, bro. There's so much liquidity going on, but even this line, even this, look, they're like connected, man. They're like fractals. Anyways, and you can see the pullback as 100% from the last, like broke the last bottom. So this can go down to here, bro. And this is the correction everyone's talking about because of the AI bubble, the evaluations, the stretched evaluations, all that. It's just the way it is. But like, I just need to put this in and just see. I'm not even going that far. I'm just asking for this session, asking for like another 200 ticks down. But I'm probably gonna close it. Yeah, I'm just gonna trail it and see if I can find a good spot. It might get stopped out for profit, but it doesn't matter. It's either this is the reason why this is interesting to me is because, like, you know, I'd be reading about this stuff and now finding it. It's like you read about Bigfoot and you don't know it's real, but they talk about it like other people are seeing it. And then now I finally caught one. It's like a rare Pokemon. And this is like a golden opportunity if it plays out. So I just got to play it carefully and not get too crazy with it. And also, and you know, just have your stops wide. I'm not going too big sizes because like I don't want to get taken out by quick spikes, you know, in the wrong direction. I want to give us. I had like originally I had like a 200 point stop, so I had mine. My stop was originally in the 300 areas just because I wanted it to work, just in case it wants to pop up. And if I'm wrong, it reclaims the neckline. Then I'm wrong. You know, reclaims the neckline. We're going to new, gonna test all time highs. But so far everything is going according to the playbook, and just gotta play it patiently. Just be, you know, just manage it carefully. So I'm just chilling. I'm just gonna chill, stop at every peak. I can see another peak going on. I mean, actually at the open, it could just do some random like boom, stop me out, and then go down. I don't know. Like the worst luck can happen. If that happens, then I'm gonna have to learn my lesson and keep my stop where I'm wrong, I guess. I don't know. Or maybe I just get back in. We'll see. But 250 ticks already is pretty huge for that's big, bro. I normally like to go for 100. I think the best one I ever won was 300, but I'm asking for 500 in one session because it's just a recent break. The sell volume's increasing, so we're gonna see how this play out. I'm just gonna upload this right away because it's today. And we're gonna see how it goes. And I'm just so yeah. I just woke up though. I actually had this position last night. You know, it's kind of hard to sleep with this in your head because this is very exciting. It's crazy, like that triple top right here. It looks so ugly. That's because the buyers and sellers are battling. And the reason why head and shoulders happen is because the first move was just the break. People thought it was a sell-off. Shorts get caught in a squeeze. So this move is probably just a short squeeze type of deal. Boom. Buyers get interested because it's breaking the previous resistance. Notice it was a fake out to the downside. Boom. People are taking longs, jumping in. A corrective pullback. It holds. Pops up to all-time highs. Ooh, gaps up that 1 week. Just gaps up. Boom. New all-time highs. People are shorting that. Boom. Do it again. They get stopped out. And the longs are just bailing also. Yeah, it's like you could see the people, you could see the emotions, bro. Everyone's just like, okay, we're gonna get to new all-time high again. Oh, it's not a short now. Or, you know, you can see all the people talking, and the short longs get caught off guard at the first sell-off, boom, and then they try the second rally, and these people are trying to shoot for the test. Be like, okay, maybe it's just a pullback to retest the highs. And yeah, okay, it's working super chop fast right here. It's actually a battle because the shorts are thinking we're gonna continue down. Boom. So they're shorting, boom, they get stopped out. And then the big sell down. So then the reload on the shorts get stopped out again. And then these people cry uncle. And then the real shorts coming in from the triple top port break right here. Yep. And then I took a short right here, by the way, yesterday. But I got out a little too early. Like 1 minute too early. Because I wasn't sure if we were going to break down. Because it was like, yo, what's crazy was this 1 hour candle was actually like up and down, up and down, up and down. Then it finished red. Like you can't even, in a 1 hour candle, you didn't even know that happened. It just be like, oh, okay, this is the real trend and went down. But really, if you look at it, bro, you look at it, dude, it's insane. Here it is. See, this is what messed me up, man. See this? This is all in the 1 hour candle from 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. Okay, so it went from, this is the real move. But in the middle of it, you had this spike, right? Boom. It didn't break the pre-market high, but it really made the 1 hour candle look like a green. It made it look like one of those, like one of these, bro. I'm not even kidding, bro. It looked like that. A green inverse hammer for like a second. Not inverse hammer, just a hammer. For like a moment. for like at 9:30, so halfway through it looked like this, and then all of a sudden it changed into a red candle, a full body red candle. Crazy. But you wouldn't know. You could just, so if you're doing back testing, you wouldn't even see those battles. So you don't even know these things happen unless you're like part of the market. It's crazy, man. This is why people get trapped. That's how you create traps. People get tricked, bro. People could just look at the 1 hour chart and back test and be like, oh yeah, it's so easy. I just get the top, sell the bottom, buy the bottom, sell the top. But bro, in every body, you did not get to see the battles that happen in those 1 hours. You just see the results of the winner, but you didn't see the story. You know what I mean? But or who got caught in the traps. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. Anyways, good luck out there. I tell you, dude, I can't. As soon as I'll be live streaming, hopefully, but I swear to God, every time I live stream, bad things happen. I'm not even kidding, bro. I just got this weird mental. I don't know, it's mental. I'm just forcing trades, or what? But we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. I don't know. Peace.